This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC and confirming your Touch N Go e-wallet is updated. This prevents failed reads. Once done, sign in and complete verification so you can link a physical card or create a virtual card. Make sure battery level is adequate. Low power can drop NFC. Next, open the app, go to card or wallet, and follow the add card steps. Tap when prompted. This gets you into the active payment state and ready for transit or retail. You now tap at the reader. Position the phone's NFC area near the terminal for 1 to 2 seconds. A gentle, steady hold works best. While tapping, watch the e-wallet or lock screen for transaction prompts so you can confirm the amount and merchant. This avoids accidental payments. Once the terminal beeps and the app shows success, you're done. If the app requires authentication, unlock or approve quickly. Otherwise, the reader may time out and the transaction will fail. You finish by verifying the transaction receipt inside the e-wallet. Note the reference ID and updated balance for records. If a tap fails, first toggle NFC off and on, then restart the phone. This often clears temporary radio issues. Try again promptly. If the terminal already charged, check the app before retrying to avoid double payment. If problems persist, contact Touch N Go support with the reference ID so they can trace or issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.